Contact Singapore departure 132.0 Indonesia 855. Thank you.
Indonesia 55 negative 133.0. Good day.
132.0 133.0 Indonesia 855. Good day.
Good day.
Departure at 1724. Good evening. Passing 1,700. Arousal 3 Alpha.
Wake 1724 Singapore departure identified. Climb to 6,000 feet. Cancel speed restriction.
Climb 6,000. Cancel speed restriction. Wake 1724.
Right heading 240.
Right heading 240.
That's pretty good. 240. Set.
Check.
Descend to 1,000 feet. QH 1008.
1,000 feet, QNH 1008.
Shenzhen 230. Contact Singapore. Radar
1008.
1,008.
1,000, 1008, passing 13.7 now.
1008. Checked.
They're gonna have to really bring this down.
Yeah.
Crazy.
Singapore departure, I fly 1028.
But they're keeping us high though.
You can turn left.
I fly 1028. Turn left for Aroso. Flight 10 route.
There's some clouds there and there's an aircraft straight ahead.
Aircraft, you just watch your
I
radar
fly
descent for
1028. Turn left
TCAS.
for Aroso. Flight 10 route.
Stand by for Aroso flight 10 route, I fly 1028.
They're keeping us up, there's not much we can do
Traffic.
about it.
Traffic.
There you go.
15, passing
Traffic's noted.
1,300, climbing 3,000, squawking 0170.
No visual with it.
Stand by, Brit
Yeah,
at 1724, flying 360.
Heading 360, get 1724.
Singapore 25, Singapore departure identified, climb to 6,000 feet, turn right heading 090.
Climb 6,000 feet right.
They'll probably have to take us still around from somewhere.
That conflict's gone now, so I'll bring this thing a bit for you.
We've got a big cloud here.
Yeah.
We have to get over. I want to go.
Checked.
I fly 1028, climb to flight level 200.
Climb flight level 200, I fly 1028.
Okay, seatbelt no smoke is on. Altimeters main set cross checked. 1008.
Big Cam 1724, climb to
Flight observer seat
8,000 feet.
positions checked.
Climb 8,000,
Interior doors are open.
Descend to 9,000 feet, turn right heading 270.
9,000 feet heading 270.
Number 3 in sequence for Seletar, commence speed reduction.
Commence speed reduction, copied number 3 in sequence.
Big Cam 1724,
There's
for
number
heading 360 due traffic.
Copy, heading 360 initially, you get 1724. Singapore 89, request high speed.
Singapore 899, cancel speed restrictions, climb to fly level 150, turn left heading 360.
Singapore 898, cancel speed restriction, say again flight level.
Singapore
Can
899,
I ask you, we're expecting,
150, advise enable left turn
we're
side of flight.
expecting 2-1, right?
Roger, climb level 150.
She hasn't said yet.
No, but can you ask them?
Yeah, no,
When you get a chance there.
I fly 1028, contact Singapore radar 135.8.
Contact Singapore radar 135.8, I fly 1028.
Trying to confirm runway and use later.
Expect runway 21, contact Seletar approach 126.025.
126025.
Good day. Big Cat 17.
And then flaps 10 when you get a
Okay,
chance.
speed is checked. Laps 10.
Thank you.
Singapore, good day. We are setting at 9,000 feet on a heading of 270, reducing speed.
Singapore approach, XSP Seletar, runway 21, training approach by OMCOM. Descend to 7,000 feet.
7,000 feet.
7,000 feet.
7,000 feet's checked.
Auto speeds.
Checked.
We'll go soon into some clouds here, unfortunately.
Turn left heading 140.
Left heading 140. How's that cloud look out there?
Yeah, this is actually good. There's a little thingy there, but that's
Yeah.
not so bad. That would have been
Yeah.
worse, so this is okay. 140 heading mode.
Drone present north of Seletar. Distance is 6.1 kilometers away at bearing 360 degrees from Seletar. Are you able to continue with your approach?
I think that's what we're looking at here. Hey, fam, tracking via Omcom should be okay.
Speed descent to 4,000 feet.
4,000 feet.
Okay, 4,000 feet.
Checked.
And what we need to do for this, what they're trying to ask us is, do we have enough time?
Yeah.
So if you keep your 10 miles there.
Yep.
And thank you for saying via Omcom, because that's the thing that'll help us.
Yep. Actually, trying to clean it up for you. Give you direct Omcom.
Yeah, sure.
That'll clear up your vertical.
Yeah, I'm okay, but yeah, go ahead.
Yeah. I know you got it.
Do you require additional track miles to run?
What do you think, mate? Say yes.
Just say one orbit.
About 2 track miles from touchdown. Do you require extended route?
No, not for 2-2.
Negative, we should be okay. We're just flying down now.
Copy.
Let's say flaps 20.
So we'll get some extra flap out. Speed check, flaps 20 selected. Okay, so definitely goes further.
Yeah.
Press further descent.
Descent to 2,000 feet.
2,000 feet. Could drop a gear for you if that's going to help.
Yeah. I was just thinking the same thing. Gear down,
Good
please.
evening, on
Speech
climb
checked.
3,000 feet, with left heading 360, on the squawk 2266, so
1, 2, 3, 4 in the air.
Stand by, wait. Turn right heading 180.
Right, heading 180.
523 Singapore,
180.
approach, identify heading 350, climb to 6,000. Heading 350, climb 6,000 feet, 5 flight 3133. 523.
I might delete slap and steady, mate.
Yeah, go ahead.
Copy 5,000 feet and heading 360, 5 flight 3133.
Delete, steady. Activate. There we go, that looks a bit more cleaner.
I just have to figure out where the runway is. You can see it somewhere on the right.
Don't know. Oh, maybe I've got it out on the
Turn right heading 210.
right, heading 210.
One to go.
Turn right heading 230.
Right, heading 230. Yeah, I think I've got it out here on the right.
Yeah.
On flap 39 maybe.
Yeah, go ahead.
Seletar FU straight ahead, distance about 8 nautical miles, report runway in sight.
Runway inside.
Runway inside.
You position yourself for final runway 21, descend and maintain 1,500.
1,500 feet and position ourselves for final. Okay, mate. Right.
1,500, thank you.
1,500. The vertical speed still on.
Yeah, I'm flying now, autopilot, so
That's checked.
you can.
Is currently about your 11 o'clock confirmed, runway still in sight.
Inside.
Runway inside.
Roger, contact Seletar Tower, 118.45, good day.
11845, thanks for your help.
Minimums.
And continue.
Checked. Seletar Tower, good evening. We're on the visual positioning for final runway 21.
Seletar Tower. Confirm you have the Seletar runway in sight and information is Yankee QNH 1008.
We have 1008 and we have the runway in sight.
And I'll keep it at about 1,000.
And descend for visual approach for runway 21. And surface wind is now 100 degrees at 3 knots. Runway 21 clear to land.
Okay, send for visual approach, runway 21. Runway 21 clear to land.
And I'll capture
1,000
from here.
Checked.
Do you have a visual with the obstacles to the north?
Yes.
Hey, fine.
Roger, roger.
There you go, there's one in.
And 2 whites.
Checked.
And before landing checklist is fully complete.
Let's have a look at that, eh? Landing gear is down 3 grains. Ground supports are armed, brakes accumulators check, ground 3000. Water brake is off, flaps 39 set for landing. Breath plus
checked.
the wind pressure for the airspeed. And warning inhibits on. All landing checklist complete.
Thank you.
Thanks, man.
Approaching 2-1.
We just got a message, ROAS unavailable.
Yeah, that's
Won't
fine.
affect this. Just check your 30 degrees there, mate.
Yeah.
500
3.2 negative.
I'm flying on visuals, 2 whites, correct in a little bit.
Yeah, checked.
400
I'll rather keep it 1 white.
Yeah, absolutely.
$300
So much for 1 white.
$200
Operations with 614.
$100
And landing.
Checked.
50 40 30 20 10
80 knots.
There you go.
2,000 feet remaining. Vacate via Echo 4.
Vacate by Echo 4.
Echo 4
All the way to the end.
to the left, correct?
Yep. Just confirm that for you. And that's ATC message. I'll get that in a moment.
Yeah. just
Echo
bring
4
me a
is
map.
at the end to the left.
Okay.
ADS terminated is the message. Having me to clean up?
Yeah, go ahead.
Thanks.
Do me a favor, just bring this map up to
Sure.
the 1500 or something like that.
Vacate Echo 4. Contact Seletar ground 121.6.
Okay, exit Echo 4 and Seletar ground 121.6.